Alright, here's my next steam engine. It's a mill engine. Why they call it that, I don't know. Maybe it was popular in sawmills. And it has a 3-inch bore, 4-inch stroke. And it's about 32 inches long on the wood and the engine. Has a really nice oiler on it, Swift oiler. Beautiful. Nice pulleys, flywheels. I machine all the parts myself, build the frame and everything. Little oiler here is your blow down valves. Here's that oiler again. So oil comes into the tank there and it's fed out through the valves that are on each side. And I only have these open maybe a quarter of a turn. 7-inch crank disc right there. This is a 3/4 by 1.5, but it's been trimmed down with a milling machine. Eccentric is right there. Runs the steam valve in the steam chamber. I believe this is a 10-inch wheel and this is a 12-inch wheel. I'll turn on the steam. I've got the blow down valves open because I haven't had it running for a while, so there'll be some condensation building up in there. I'm just using the valve off the back of my boiler here. Real nice engine. This is for sale on eBay. It's wobbling around, but you need to have a solid table for it. I'm just running it off one of my 20-inch boilers that are also available. I only have one left, by the way, and I think that's it for them. Anyway, give me a call. My name is Ross. My number is 206-948-0770. My email address is anacortesteam@gmail.com. That's anacortesteam@gmail.com. Got the crank disc up here and pops it dead center and turn on the steam. Runs beautiful. Like I said, it's a 3-inch bore, 4-inch stroke. That's only about 100 RPM there. So if you're interested in this, give me a call. Thanks a lot for watching.